How to make someone obsessed with you? Let's be honest. Attraction alone isn't enough. What most people crave deep down is something more intoxicating than a crush. It's obsession. That magnetic pull that keeps someone thinking about you, craving your presence and missing you when you're not around. But how do you actually create that effect? This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology, owning your presence, and knowing how to leave a deep emotional imprint. This video will guide you through the psychological, emotional, and behavioral principles that make you unforgettable. Let's dive into the steps that make someone not just like you, but become truly obsessed with you. To build a strong identity. People are obsessed with those who have a strong sense of self. Why? Because confidence is magnetic. When you know who you are, what you want, and what you stand for, it naturally sets you apart. Think about the people who stand out in your own life. Chances are, they're the ones who seem deeply rooted in who they are. They don't chase approval or try to be liked by everyone. That's the energy that draws others in. To build a strong identity, ask yourself, what are my core values? What do I believe in? What am I building in my life? Then embody that. The more consistent you are in your actions and how you show up, the more others will respect and admire you. And that admiration, that's the seed of obsession. 2. Give them an emotional roller coaster. People don't become obsessed with predictability. They become obsessed with the person who makes them feel. Emotion is the glue of memory. This doesn't mean playing games or being toxic. It means allowing the full spectrum of your personality to be felt. Show up with charm, humor, challenge, warmth, even mystery. Keep your interactions rich and layered. When someone experiences multiple emotions with you, joy, curiosity, slight frustration, awe, they begin to anchor those feelings to you. Suddenly, they're not just interested, they're hooked. You've become their emotional drug. They want more. 3. Be mysterious, but not distant. Mystery creates intrigue, and intrigue leads to obsession. When someone can't fully figure you out, they'll keep coming back, trying to understand more. That's how curiosity turns into infatuation. But mystery doesn't mean silence. It means revealing yourself slowly. Leave gaps in your stories. Be selective about what you share. Let them wonder where you are, who you're with, or what you're thinking. The key is balance. Being open enough to connect, but reserved enough to remain intriguing. Avoid oversharing early on. Let them peel back the layers one at a time. That slow reveal? It's addictive. 4. Mirror their energy, but slightly less. Mirroring is one of the most powerful tools in creating subconscious connection. People tend to like others who reflect their behavior and vibe. But here's the twist. Do it subtly and dial it back just a notch. If they're texting you once a day, you respond, but maybe wait a little longer. If they open up, you reciprocate, but not all at once. This keeps them slightly off balance and creates a push-pull dynamic. They lean in, wondering where you stand. This slight discrepancy in energy keeps you in the driver's seat and creates a sense of value. When someone feels like they're chasing even a little, it activates their desire to win you over. 5. Be their escape. Most people are overwhelmed with stress, routine, and noise. You want to be the opposite. Be the person who makes them feel lighter, seen, and free. When someone starts associating your presence with relief and excitement, they crave more of it. Listen deeply. Laugh together. Show them a side of life that feels refreshing. The world is full of pressure. If you become someone's escape, they'll want to escape to you more and more. 6. Master subtle touch and eye contact. Physical presence is powerful, and when used with restraint, it becomes unforgettable. A light touch on the arm when laughing. Holding eye contact a little longer than usual. A subtle smile before looking away. These moments create micro-charges of attraction. They activate chemistry in the brain. When someone begins to associate physical closeness and presence with excitement and emotional stimulation, that feeling lingers, long after you're gone. Make your physical presence a pleasant memory, not a constant pressure. Chapter 7. Leave first. Always end interactions slightly earlier than expected. Whether it's a conversation, a date, or a phone call, leave while the energy is still high. Why? Because the human mind craves closure. When something ends before it feels complete, the brain replays it. It lingers. This is how you stay on their mind, not by overstaying your welcome, but by being a burst of energy and connection that leaves them wanting more. It's counterintuitive, but incredibly powerful. Gravitate speak to their deepest desires. Obsession comes from being understood, not just on the surface, but at the core. Learn what truly matters to them. What do they value most? What do they fear losing? What future are they chasing? When you reflect those desires back to them in conversation, when you support their goals or mirror their dreams, you create alignment. They begin to see you not just as a person, but as someone who gets them, someone who fits into their future. This is more than chemistry. It's compatibility, and it's addictive. 9. Be unapologetically passionate about something. Nothing is more attractive than passion. It doesn't matter what it is, a craft, a goal, a hobby. When you light up while talking about something you love, others feel it. Your passion shows depth. It shows that your life is already full, that you're not desperate for attention. This makes people want to be a part of your world. And when they begin to see you as someone who's going somewhere, doing something exciting, or chasing something meaningful, they're drawn in. They want to be near that energy. Key 2. Reward consistency, not effort alone. People fall harder for someone when they feel they earned their affection. If you give too much too fast, you rob them of the chance to invest. Instead, reward consistent behavior, not just emotional displays. If someone keeps showing up, listening, putting in the time, that's when you open up more, give more, show more appreciation. This makes your validation rare and meaningful. It also signals that you value real connection, not just sweet talk. When someone knows they have to work for your affection, they value it more, and that value leads to obsession. Chapter 11. Use the power of absence. Here's a hard truth. Sometimes distance creates desire more than presence does. If you're always available, always texting, always around, there's nothing to miss. But when you occasionally pull back, not as a punishment, but as a natural rhythm, it creates space. And in that space, feelings grow. Don't always respond right away. Don't always be the one to initiate. Create moments where they notice your absence. It's in those moments that they begin to realize just how much your presence matters. Chapter 12. Stay calm under pressure. Emotional regulation is rare and incredibly attractive. When you can stay composed during conflict, remain grounded in tense situations, or speak calmly when others would lash out, it creates safety. People obsess over those who make them feel safe, respected, and grounded. Your ability to stay emotionally balanced signals maturity and self-respect. This doesn't mean bottling things up. It means responding, not reacting. It means expressing without attacking. That calm strength becomes unforgettable. Chapter 13. Create inside jokes and shared language. One of the fastest ways to bond with someone is to create little moments that are just between the two of you. Inside jokes, nicknames, shared references. They create a mini world that only the two of you understand. This builds emotional intimacy. It makes every interaction feel special, unique. The more private little details you share, the more emotionally invested someone becomes. It also increases dopamine. Every time they think of that joke or reference, they think of you. That's how obsession takes root. 14. Be selective with your attention. We crave what we can't easily have. If you give your time, energy, and presence to everyone, your attention loses value. But if you're selective, if you give your best to a few, you become someone people want to earn. Be generous, yes. Be kind, but don't be easy to access. Guard your energy. Show that you choose who you give your time to carefully. That's what makes it feel like a privilege to be close to you. When someone feels chosen by you, not because you're lonely, but because you value them, it makes a lasting impact. 15. Know when to walk away. Ironically, the most powerful way to make someone obsessed with you is being willing to walk away. Not as a threat, not as a manipulation tactic, but because you value your self-worth more than you value being liked. This confidence is rare, and when someone senses that you're not desperate, that you won't tolerate disrespect, that you're whole with or without them, it creates awe. Obsession isn't about control, it's about impact. And nothing impacts a person more than the realization that they need you more than you need them. So if you want to become unforgettable, if you want to create the kind of connection that lingers in someone's mind long after you're gone, remember this. Be the person who adds value, depth, emotion, and intrigue. Obsession doesn't start with trying harder. It starts with being someone worth thinking about. Thanks for watching Behavior Insight. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. More psychology-based insights are coming your way. See you in the next video.